All right, Josie here from Orlando. Got the whole light set up and stuff, so it looks hopefully a little better than the last one. And we got our second bundle of cards that we're going to go through. Hopefully you can see them, and if the light's too bright, I'll just turn off that light. But these are 1991 leaf cards, and they got like that nice gray around it, which is kind of nice. But I figure I'll go through these cards, and this is video number 2 of probably 10 or 12, depending how many I grab at a time. And we'll just go through them quickly and see if there's anything special in these cards. And if there is, if you see something special that I don't see, please make sure to put that in the comments below and say, hey, taking a look at that card, it might be worth something. The rookie cards from the last video, I did look them up, and they're selling for about $1 each, which actually isn't bad, because if I get 30 rookie cards together, I can bundle all the rookie cards together and sell 30 rookie cards for 30 bucks. And if I do that with mixtures of other cards and bundles, I'm sure I can at least double my money back, which will be just fine with me. But let's go through these cards here for video number 2 and see what we find. So this first one is Steve Howe. So I don't know, that light might be a little bright. Let me see if it makes a difference if I turn it off here for a second. Yeah, let's see if that looks better. At least you don't get the glare. But that's Steve Howe and Jose Urbu. Dan Plesky. And you know what I'll do? I'll put the light on, but see if it goes on a little lighter. Let's do that, and let's bring it down a little bit. Bring down the tone. There you go. I'll just show you the pictures. There you go. And if there's a name that kind of sticks out to me, then I will show you that one. Oh, this one is a checklist with Barry Bonds. Checklist with Barry Bonds on there. And it's got the 1991 checklist back there. There you go. Ken Hill. Mark Leonard. Mackie Sasser. Dan Plesky again. Von Hayes. And then I'll look for any discrepancies that might say rookie or something on these. This is Dwight Evans. Dave Howard. Erwin White. Oh, what's this? So it's like a puzzle piece. On the back of it, it says pieces number 46, 47, 48 out of 63. Collect all 63 pieces to complete the puzzle. Oh, look at that. It's part of a puzzle. So we'll put that on the side, and we'll get more puzzle pieces. We get a complete puzzle and sell it as a complete set. Willie Wilson from the A's. Kurt Schilling from the Astros. Dennis Eckersley from the Athletes. John Krupt. Robin Ventura. Bobby Typen. Chuck Knoblauch. Greg Bell, when he was a Cubby. Cubbies. Eric King. Joey Cora. Lance Parrish. Mike Maddox. That name sounds familiar. I'm going to put him on the side. Pascual Perez. Bernard Gilkey. Kevin Gross. Oh, another puzzle piece. This is pieces 38, 37, 38, and 39. Oh, this one actually shows what the puzzle is supposed to look like once it's filled in. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, so we got 2 puzzle pieces. Tim Costco. Oh. It says it's gold on the back. Does that mean anything when it's gold on the back? Because the other ones had just regular silver in back, silver in front. This one's got silver in front, gold in back. So maybe that means something. It says career performance. Oh, it says gold leaf rookie. Okay. That's what it means, obviously. Okay, so if it has gold on the back, it's a rookie card with the Leaf Company, unlike the tops who had the rookie in front. So this is the Tim Costco rookie card. See that? Video number 2, we learned 2 new things. Cool. I'm going to put that on the side. Now we have here Carl Ripken. I know what Carl Ripken is. It's not a rookie card though. It's regular. But I'll put him in the win-win section. Chris Novaks. Jamie Navarro. I gotta check the back when I put it down. Marty Barrett. Carmelo Martinez. Juan Beringer. Greg Olson. Tom Lemkin. Steve Bedrosen. Greg Hibbett. Jamie Quirk. Dave Rood. Dave Stewart. Oh, another puzzle piece. Alright, what do we got here? Looks like a sleeve. 31, 32, and 33. So far we got 31, 32, 33, 37, 8, and 9, and 46, 7, and 8. 3 puzzle pieces so far. Alright, we're making our way up there. Oops. Got the puzzle. This is Greg Lefters. Mickey Morandino. Ken Hill. Mark Leonard. Mackie Sesser. Von Hayes. Dwight Evans. Dave Howard. Rainey White. Daryl Strawberry. All right, that's the name I know. Daryl Strawberry. So I'm gonna put him over here. And Heath Slocum. Cubbies. Oh, another puzzle piece. All right, so we're up to 4 puzzle pieces. There we go. All right, I'm gonna keep this video under 10 minutes. We went through a handful of cards, ended up with a couple of good ones. So we got puzzle pieces, which are new. So we'll bundle those together, see what we come up with those. And we have 1 rookie card, Tim Costco, rookie card right there. Excellent. And then we got Mike Maddox. Not a rookie card, regular card. Carl Ripken. And Daryl Strawberry. Which is just names that I know. So thanks for watching video number 2 in this series of baseball card unboxing and seeing what we're learning together. We'll load this up probably for tomorrow, and today is Thursday, so this video will come up on Friday. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if any of these cards look interesting to you or you know anything about them. Put the notes down below. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified every time we come up with crazy, boring videos like this. But thanks for joining us on this journey. And remember, you cannot sell if you do not list. So get out there and list on eBay as much as you can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Let's see what we find on the next one. This is exciting.